Back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to create an account in Google Play Store in your BlueStacks. So guys, if you just download the BlueStack and you want to download some Android applications which is freely available on the App Store. For this guys, first of all you go for the option of system app. In the system apps, here you see the application Play Store. So you just click it and open it. After that, you get the sign in option. In the sign in, you just wait and check that it start checking your info. After that, you simply enter your mail and you start logged in.